Hi, open my drive in Google, and for example, I create waste folder. Now I am uploading this image to drive. See, it was uploading to drive. Give it a sec. So it is uploaded now. When to double click the pic, then click on Open with Google Doc. When to double click the pic, then click on Open with Google Doc. We have new tab. It will convert image to text in simple way in just one click. You can see this is the picture I uploaded to Drive. Then here is the text I got. For checking this and this image and are called dust particles. And now we have to check the text. See, we got same. Thank you for watching.